Hello everyone. Today we are doing our makeup by using 5 makeup products only. So let's start. First I am using moisturizer plus primer for to give moisturizer to the skin and primer for the skin protection. Then we are using concealer here to hide our pigmentation on under eye and around the lips area. Then we apply foundation for flawless look. We are applying by brush and also you can apply by sponge or finger. Here I am applying by brush, then blend with wet beauty blender. So it gives natural and flawless look to the skin. Then after applying foundation, we are apply compact to set the foundation on the skin. After that we are using lipstick for two steps. One is for blusher and second is for lip correction. So for blusher we are applying two dots on both the side and blend it with wet sponge. Then second for lipstick, applying lipstick on our lips to enhance our beauty. And here is our final look. Let's go.